This is the final video to solve the Amazon Fire Stick black screen won't load error. After dealing with this persistent issue myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. The primary reason a black screen appears is often a temporary software glitch or a communication failure between the device and your TV. Our first method addresses this by completely refreshing the device's power cycle and ensuring all connections are secure. Another common cause is outdated software or corrupted cached data, which the second method resolves by forcing a system update and clearing temporary files. Sometimes the issue lies with the HDMI connection itself or even your home network's stability. The third method tackles these by optimizing signal integrity and network responsiveness. Finally, if none of these work, a deeper system reset or ensuring you're using the correct power source, as outlined in the fourth method, will typically restore your Amazon Fire Stick black screen won't load error functionality.